The Whynter Portable Air Conditioner 14,000 BTU, ARC14S, is a versatile cooling solution for medium-sized rooms. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. With its dual-hose system, built-in dehumidifier, and included window kit, this unit provides powerful and efficient cooling for bedrooms, living rooms, offices, or any space up to 500 square feet. The dual-hose design improves cooling efficiency by bringing in fresh air while exhausting hot air, helping the unit cool faster and reduce energy consumption. Its built-in dehumidifier removes excess moisture from the air, making your environment more comfortable and preventing mold or humidity issues. This is especially useful in humid climates or rainy seasons. Setup is simple with the included window kit, and the unit's smooth rolling casters make it easy to move between rooms. Adjustable fan speeds and programmable modes allow you to customize airflow and temperature, while the digital display and remote control make operation quick and convenient. Energy efficiency is a key advantage, with the unit delivering maximum comfort without excessive power use. It also operates quietly, making it ideal for bedrooms or offices, and the washable filters ensure easy maintenance for long-term performance. In addition to cooling and dehumidifying, this air conditioner can function as a fan, providing versatile airflow year-round. The Whynter ARC14S combines portability, power, and convenience, making it a reliable choice for anyone looking to stay cool and comfortable. You'll find the link to this product in the description below.